Hey guys, hope you are all having a great day. Today's video will be shorter than usual. The markets continued bleeding earlier in the day but began making upward momentum later in the day. We are going to cover the biggest updates and wrap it up. Before we start, let me quickly state that I am not a financial advisor, and that all content discussed in this channel is simply information gathered that I deem important for people to know, so that they can make informed decisions. All efforts are aimed to better understand the nature of the current market in anticipation of the greatest squeeze in financial history. Let's dive right in. Let's begin with the biggest news. President Biden announced a ban on all imports of Russian oil, gas and energy. As he put it, they are targeting the main artery of Russia's economy. Biden acknowledged that this will hurt the pockets of everyone, as America is set to experience the highest gas price since the 2008 financial crisis. The national gas price average was reported as passing over $4, the highest average to date. Today on my Discord, some people shared pictures showing prices over $7 per gallon. Europe, however, cannot all agree to jump on board with the back, mostly because they lack an alternative source to derive oil productions. Biden said they announced they are working with Europe and other partners to develop a long-term strategy to reduce dependence on Russian energy. The administration announced they are releasing 60 million barrels of oil from our joint oil reserves. But the United States was not alone in this, as Britain also said they would begin phasing out oil imports from Russia by the end of this year, though not natural gas or coal. McDonald's caved in to social pressure, as did Starbucks, and both announced they would be temporarily ceasing business in Russia. Russian economy is shattered, and what awaits them decades worth of financial struggles and hardship. Oil prices finished up above $123 a barrel. The Dow Jones lost 0.6%, S&P 500 gave up 0.7% and Nasdaq ended 0.3% down. Let's now talk about today. The Fed submitted over $1.525 trillion in reverse repo operations today. Dark pool trades for AMC accounted for 53% of the total volume today, while dark pool trades for GameStop accounted for 40% of the total volume today. AMC had a larger amount of buy orders than sell orders, with GameStop also having a larger amount of buy orders than sell orders. Now, let's talk about performance. AMC had a bullish day, gaining over 1% per day. It had a bearish trading session during the pre-market, consistently staying underneath the VWAP and breaking support walls. Upon market opening, AMC starting dipping harder, eventually reaching a price as low as 14.38. After that fall, AMC bounced back, finally breaking past the VWAP and building a strong support wall above it around 15. It would once again move up, this time reaching 15.80 before retracing back down to 15.20 for support. AMC then began moving up again, this time reaching 16.13 before getting pulled back on support around 15.70. It would once again move up, reaching 16.26 as the high of the day before pulling back. Later on, AMC would start testing some of the support walls it built, breaking them and falling under over and over until it closed at 15.39, barely above the VWAP. Support will be found at 15.20, 14.50 and 14. Resistance will be met at 15.60, 16.25 and 16.70. GameStop had a bullish day, gaining over 3% for the day. Upon market open, GameStop began dipping, breaking support and going as low as 97.10. After reaching that level, GameStop began moving up, breaking above the VWAP and continuing its bullish run until it reached 109. After that, it began dipping, breaking support it had previously built and closing at 103.01, barely above the VWAP. GME will find support at 102, 99 and 96. Resistance will be met at 105, 107 and 109. Aside from the Biden speech about oil, there wasn't a lot happening today. No news came out related to GME or AMC in particular. I made a very lengthy video yesterday talking about a lot of the things to consider right now as an investor. Wanted to keep today light in content. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. That is all I have for you guys today. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And most importantly, remember to come join my Discord. If you want to support this channel, I have a Patreon link in the description as well as some one-time donation links for Cash App and PayPal. Thank you again for being a part of this channel. I will continue striving for better content. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep on buying the dip into the moon.